Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Oracle Direction Indicator for MT4. In this video, we'll look at how this indicator displays directional bias on the chart, what its signals imply, and what settings it includes. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL inputs, and there we go. As you can see on the chart, the Oracle Directional Indicator plus a directional signal, either a visual line, arrow series, or color-coded bar overlay in a separate sub-window right below the MT4 price chart to indicate the current directional bias. Bullish color or upward markers imply the algorithm has detected conditions favoring upward price direction. Bearish color or downward markers imply conditions favoring downward direction. The Oracle concept reflects the indicator's goal of providing a clear forward-leaning read on the most likely directional bias based on its internal multi-factor calculation. As for the settings, period controls the primary look-back period used in the direction calculation. Sensitivity adjusts how quickly the indicator responds to new price data. Color and display settings customizes the visual appearance of directional outputs. As for who is for, these indicators use trend traders and directional bias traders using MT4. It is a visual analytical tool only. It does not execute trades. Directional signals are not predictive or guaranteed outcomes and require confirmation from price structure. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.